Question number 1. The bronze medals are made up of dash. A. Copper and zinc. B. Zinc and nickel. C. Copper and tin. D. Copper, zinc and nickel. The correct answer is C. Copper and tin. Question number 2. The process of purifying a metal is called dash. A. Enrichment. B. Refining. C. Cracking. D. Roasting. The correct answer is B. Refining. Question number 3. The thermite process is also known as the dash. A. Hall-Hérold's process. B. Bayer's process. C. Aluminothermic process. D. Lead chamber process. The correct answer is C. Aluminothermic process. Question number 4. Which of the following cannot prevent corrosion? A. Printing. B. Anodizing. C. Alloying. D. Covering with glass. The correct answer is D. Covering with glass. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a methods of concentration of ores? A. Hydraulic washing. B. Reduction. C. Magnetic separation. D. Froth flotation method. The correct answer is B. Reduction. Question number 6. Which of the following metals is present in the anode mud during the electrolytic refining of copper? A. Sodium. B. Aluminium. C. Gold. D. Iron. The correct answer is D. Iron. Question number 7. The second most abundant metal in the earth crust is A. Iron, B. Silicon, C. Aluminium, D. Oxygen. The correct answer is A. Iron. Question number 8. Galvanization is the process of coating dash iron with zinc, B. Iron with aluminium, C. Zinc with iron, D. Silver with iron. The correct answer is A. Galvanization is the process of coating iron with zinc. Question number 9. The electronic configuration of three elements X, Y and Z are: for X it is 2 and 8, 2,8, Y 2,8,7 and Z 2,8,2. Which of the following is correct? A. X is a metal, B. Y is a metal, C. Z is a non-metal, D. Y is non-metal and Z is metal. The correct answer is C. Z is a non-metal. Question number 10. Dash is a non-metal which has a very high melting and boiling point. A. Diamond, B. Iron, C. Aluminium, D. Gold. And the correct answer is A. Diamond. Question number 11. Metals which are so soft that they can be cut with a knife is dash. A. Magnesium, B. Copper, C. Sodium, D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Sodium. Question number 12. Copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute sulfuric acid. Why? A. Because copper is highly reactive. B. Because copper is less reactive than hydrogen. C. Because copper is a non-metal. D. All of the above reasons. The correct answer is B, because copper is less reactive than hydrogen. Question number 13. The extraction of metals from their ores and then refining them for use is known as dash. A. Concentration. B. Metallurgy. C. Bayer's process. D. Reduction. The correct answer is B. Metallurgy. Question number 14. Name any one metal which reacts neither with cold water nor with hot water but react with heated steam to produce hydrogen gas. A. Copper. B. Aluminium. C. Iron. D. Manganese. The correct answer is C. Iron. Question number 15. An element A is soft and can be cut with a knife. This is very reactive to air and cannot be kept open in air. It reacts vigorously with water. Identify the element A from the following. A. Magnesium. B. Sodium. D. Phosphorus. D. Calcium. The correct answer is B. Sodium. Question number 16. Generally, metals are solid in nature. Which one of the following metals is found in liquid state at room temperature? A. Sodium. B. Iron. C. Chromium. D. Mercury. The correct answer is D. Mercury. Question number 17. Which of the following ore is concentrated by froth flotation method? A. ZnCO3, that is zinc carbonate. B. ZnO, that is zinc oxide. C. ZnS, that is zinc sulfide. or D. Na2S, that is sodium sulfide? The correct answer is C. Zinc sulfide, ZnS. Question number 18. Aluminium is used for making cooking utensils. Which one of the following property of aluminium is responsible for this same? A. Good thermal conductivity. B. Good electrical conductivity. C. Ductility. D. Malleability. The correct answer is A. Good thermal conductivity. Question number 19. Which one of the following are not ionic compounds? 1. KCl, 2. HCl, 3. CCl4, D. NaCl. Option A 1 and 2, that is KCl and HCl. B 2 and 3, that is HCl and CCl4. C 3 and 4, that is CCl4 and NaCl. Or D 1 and 3, that is KCl and CCl. Correct answer is D. ZnO is being reduced. Zinc oxide is reduced to zinc. Question number 22. Bauxite is mixed with cryolite so as to dash A. Reduce its melting point, B. Increase its electrical conductivity, C. Molten cryolite acts as a solvent, D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. All of the above reason. Question number 23. Which of the following is the purest form of carbon? A. Diamond, B. Graphite, C. Fullerene, D. Charcoal. The correct answer is C. Fullerene. Question number 24. Rusting of iron takes place in dash A. Ordinary water, B. Distilled water, C. In both ordinary and distilled water, D. None of the above. The correct answer is C. Both ordinary and distilled water. Number 25. Sometimes there are two sulfides in an ore which are separated by using dash A. Collectors, B. Froth stabilizers, C. Depressants, D. Leaching. The correct answer is B. Froth stabilizers. Thank you very much for watching this. All the best for your future. Subscribe to get instant updates on all the quizzes, upcoming quizzes and videos. Thank you.